Something I am good at, however, is technical analysis, and I've got some more technical analysis for you here on the Euro New Zealand. Now, from a first glance perspective, right, first impression, this is not looking like a very bullish sign here. We had a high momentum bullish candle followed by an inside bar, followed by a weak bullish candle. Good job if you guys remember that. Followed by a bearish engulfing candle. Everything that says bad. But let's do our little trick where we take our horizontal line tool and we draw it here, and then we zoom out and we look left. I'm on the weekly, by the way, and we ask ourselves, where am I at? And I look left back to the magical year of 2009. Ooh, this is right when I became a consistently profitable trader. Good memories here, bad memories, everything before that. Bad, right? But good memories here. You can see that although we are in a level of structure, we are nowhere near like the highs or the extreme of that level of structure. And in fact, if price is going to come up to test this level of structure, I would expect at least a test of the highest close right here. So when we go back down to our chart, you can see that we still actually have some room to go higher on the Euro New Zealand here. And what we've just had is a pullback, right? Price has been in a very bullish trend, right? Swing low to swing high, outside return, new structure high, outside return, new structure high. Had a little bit of a rising channel here equipped with divergence, right? No surprise that we saw some relief. That's what we'd expect. And what we would expect after that is a retest of our previous outside return right here, a hold if we're going to remain in this bullish trend, and a continuation up. So if you are a continuation trader, this is the exact pullback that you're looking for. Obviously, you're waiting for your reason for entry. You're not just blindly buying right here, but you're waiting for price action to give you a clue that what you predict is going to happen is more likely to happen than not. That's how we properly exploit and extract our edge from the market. But really cool pullback opportunity here. You've got some hidden divergence as well for you guys that like looking at the other side of the RSI and making yourself go crazy. You can see that we currently have higher lows, but we have lower lows in our RSI. This is the opposite of the first divergence I showed you called hidden divergence. If you know, you know. If you don't know, don't worry about it because it's really going to mess with your eyes. I'm not joking. It's weird. But it is a positive sign that we can use with continuation trading. Also, if you wanted some help with targets or some more confluence for targets, right, we can take our Fibonacci extension tool, drag it from the swing low right here, our previous outside return, to the very swing high right here. Bring that bad boy back down. You're going to see that we have two levels that I would want to pay attention to. A conservative one would be